During the COVID-19, I think a lot of patients cannot visit hospital, and sometimes their chronic disease cannot be properly managed, and their prescription cannot be refilled. During the COVID-19, a lot of patients has to rely on the online platforms and online pharmacy to get advice and also to get a prescription to continue their therapy. Some patients with a very serious disease situation, even heart attack, cancer, they need a treatment urgently, chemotherapy and infusion of cancer medication. And all these things need to happen outside the hospital and all happen in the hospital in a more organized way. And also a lot of patients shouldn't go to the hospital for minor problems, and they can really get a service online. It's quite advanced, to be honest. I think we have a lot of platforms like JD.com and also Ali Health. I think all these platforms are with millions of consumers, and they have opportunity also to purchase a service of consulting service of the doctors and also drugs online. In China, we are looking for some kind of online healthcare service with more active participation of doctors and also nurses, and making sure the patients around these doctors and nurses can be also accessing these patients online rather than just physically in the hospital. So it's much better if they know these people daily, and also not only online but also offline. AstraZeneca is a healthcare company originated from Jiangsu and Wuxi. And Wuxi happens to be the capital city of Internet of Things in China. And we are working with a lot of device diagnostic company and a digital company. So making sure that those software and hardware are connected with sensor to collect data and information to help doctors to make decisions. And I think AstraZeneca participates in the whole patient journey, integrated diagnostic and treatment. Kind of digital therapeutics. It's a combination of drug and devices and diagnostics, and also exercise, nutrition, and psychological advices, and all kinds of intervention to help patients to achieve the best outcome. AstraZeneca is organizing and supporting the largest healthcare internet hospital together with our partner. We recently kicked off internet hospital and online pharmacy to help the millions of doctors and also 100 millions of patients around them. During the COVID-19, a lot of patients actually cannot visit hospital to handle their serious disease situation because of the fear of getting infected. And a lot of asthma patients and COPD patients, they also cannot get a treatment. We needed to really develop together with government and also partner companies to help those patients online during the COVID-19. They can really get a service and repeat therapy online. A pharmaceutical company cannot work alone. We really needed to work with NGOs like WHO and a lot of NGOs to really make sure that equality of vaccination accessibility. And also we needed to work with government and also industry partners really to share the technology to make sure that the vaccine can really be accessed by as many patients as possible across the countries. We need the support and help from the government to make sure our supply chain is complete and ensure we really can supply the medication timely to our patients. Also get enough preventive equipment to make sure our employees are safe. To work closely with the societies to help as many people, especially the first-line doctors who are fighting this disease timely, and provide the needed support and contribution from a company as a contributor to the society.